Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to track someone's Facebook location live. So first of all, we're heading to our Facebook. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this search icon right here at the top. Alright, so we're going to search for a name. So let's say Joseph. Alright. So the next thing you want to do is click on this people section. Alright, so you want to click on this settings button right here, this one. Alright, so right here you can click on the city that you want to search for. So let's say London, United Kingdom. Alright, so you can also select education, the work, and if you know their friend list, okay, show results. So this is how to track someone's location on Facebook. So as long as you have their name, their location, or whatever, you can track their location on Facebook. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.